Hello, pranams. How are you? Well, in the last session, last class, we have dealt with logarithms and I have given you a couple of formulae. And we are about to close this concept of logarithms in the chapter real numbers today. Alright, so my dear children, I have a problem. Write each of the following expressions as log n or to a single logarithm. So I have got some examples here, log 2 plus log 5. These are two different logarithms. I have to combine them and write. For that, the formula which we are going to use is this. There are different formulas I gave you. Log A plus log B is equal to log of AB. This is the formula which I am going to use. Apart from that, log A minus log B is equal to log of A by B. This formula I am going to use. Apart from that, in this particular scenario, if I write log A power m is equal to m log A, vice versa. M log A can be written as log A power n. So these are the three formulae which I am going to use when we are dealing with these kind of problems. Now, of course, these questions will come in the examination for 2 marks. Log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 plus log 5 can be written as log of, see, it is log A plus log B, log of A into B, that is log of 2 into 5, it is log 10, and if I want to write log 10 value, I can write as is equal to 1. Anyhow, that is not the issue. Again, this is log 16 minus log 2. This can be written as log A minus log B. What is log A minus log B? Log of A by B. So in place of A you have 16 and in place of B you have 2. Therefore, log of 16 by 2 is equal to what? Log 8. Now, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Before I club these two things, first I have to reduce this into a single logarithm. What is this? M into log A. M into log A is nothing but log A power m. So, 2 into log 3 can be written as log 3 power 2 minus 3 into log 2 can be written as log 2 power 3. What is log 3 square? Log 9. What is log 2 cube? 2 cube is nothing but 8. Now it is log A minus log B is log of, once again, A upon B. So you have converted this into a single logarithm. You have converted this into a single logarithm. You have converted this into a single logarithm. Likewise, this also will try to convert into a single logarithm. Now first let me write this log 10 as it is. Now 2 log 3 can be written as log 3 power 2. Log, this 2 will come above as per this formula, minus log 2. Alright sir. So it is log 10 plus log 3 square is nothing but what? Log 9 minus log 2. Now initially I will club these two things together. Log A plus log B. What is log A plus log B? Log of A into B minus log 2. Now again I can rewrite this as, what is log 10 into 9? 90 minus log 2. Now once again children, it is log A minus log B. What is log A minus log B? Log of A by B, that is 90 by 2. And what is 90 by 2? 45. So you could convert this entire thing into a single logarithm. That's what the problem is all about. You have to convert all these things into a single logarithms. So I'm sure if you are perfect with these formulae, you can understand how to convert this into a single logarithm. Now we will try to take one more numerical so that your concepts are more clear in the topic called logarithms. You can pause the video, you can copy these things. Alright. If x square plus y square is equal to 6xy, prove that 2 into log of x plus y is equal to log x plus log y plus 3 log 2, right? How do you do this? Now, listen to me very carefully. I will consider x square plus y square is equal to 6xy. Now, what am I going to do? I am going to add 2xy on both sides. I will say add 2xy on both sides. So, it is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 6xy plus 2xy. So what do you get? X square plus y square plus 2xy is nothing but x plus y whole square. Is it not? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is a plus b whole square. And this is equal to 6xy plus 2xy is equal to what? 8xy. Now once I get this x plus y whole square is equal to 8xy, I will apply logarithms on both sides. So when I apply logarithms on both sides, log of x plus y whole square is equal to log of 8xy. Now this 8xy is 8 into x into y, three different terms, my dear. Now what is log of a power m? What is log of a power m is equal to m into log a. So log of x plus y whole square can be written as 2 into log of x plus y, and log of 8xy can be written as log 8 plus log x plus log y. Now log 8 can be written as, see, logarithm of 8 is nothing but log of 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Once again, what is log of a power m? M into log a. So this can be written as 3 into log 2. So instead of log 8, what can I write? 3 into log 2 plus log x plus log y is equal to 2 times log of x plus y. So that's how you can prove this, is it not? Same thing, log x plus log y plus 3 log 2, log x plus log y plus 3 log 2. So this is how you will prove it. So I'm sure you understood this numerical. Let us try to take this numerical and have a little bit of twist. Now what is a twist? I will give you similar thing, x plus y whole square is equal to 6xy, but instead I will ask you to prove 2 times log of x minus y is equal to log x plus log y, and instead of 3 log 2 I will write 2 log 2. How this could happen, sir? Now here in the previous problem I have considered x square plus y square plus 2xy and I have added 2xy on both sides. But because I have x minus y, right? X minus y whole square is what? X square plus y square minus 2xy. So I have to get minus 2xy. So what I am going to do, instead of add, I will say subtract. What will I say? Subtract 2xy on both sides. So when I subtract 2xy on both sides, you have 2xy here, and instead of 6xy plus 2xy, you write 6xy minus 2xy. What is a square plus b square minus 2ab? A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. And 4xy minus 2xy will be equal to what? 6xy minus 2xy will be equal to what? 4xy. So now you have x minus y whole square is equal to 4xy. Apply logarithms on both sides. When I apply logarithms on both sides, what will happen? It will be log of x minus y whole square is equal to log of 4 into x into y. Now what is log of x minus y whole square? 2 will come here. 2 times log x minus y, and this will be, instead of log 4, log 8 you have log 4 plus log x plus log y. Once again, what is log 4 is equal to log 2 whole square. What is log 2 whole square? 2 log 2. So instead of log 4, what will I write? 2 log 2. So therefore 2 times log x minus y is equal to 2 into log 2 plus log x plus log y. So I am sure you understood, when we add 2xy you are getting one result, when we subtract 2xy you are getting one result. I want you to practice this problem again and again. Pause the video, again and again you practice, so that you will get your concepts more clear. So in this way we have completed the topic called logarithms. Now in the next video I will come up with the new concept of proving root 2 as an irrational number, of proving root 5 as an irrational number. Those kind of problems we will try to see in our next video. That means in this real numbers we are coming backwards. We are coming from last exercise and we are going towards forward. I am sure you are able to understand. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.